this is Claire. I have downloaded NoteTab Lite, which is the text editor that I use for making my websites. Plus, this is the program that I store all my text files that I use for information on my websites and also for creating files to share with others. So we're going to go and open that now, and you can see it's up here. You see where I've set it up already, and I've opened it. And it's running on my computer right now, so I have to go and get it. Okay, now I have to go and find a file. You'll see that this is different from Notepad in that it has tabs along the top. When you first open it, it's got README, what's new, all this kind of stuff. So I'm going to go open a text file right now so you can see how it works. Everything here goes to the wrong place. Oh dear. And this is in my website file, so I'll just go get it now. And my products page. I'm planning on making a products page different from the one I've got now. And here it is, direct links to individual products.txt. So I'll open it, and you can see it opens in a new tab. So these are all links that are in here. And I'm going to add another one down here, which will be link to home page. And then what you'll do is just put your own name after there, and it avoids the horrible root homepage. It's so confusing for people when they go there. So these are all the links that you can use. Okay. And so I'm just going to save this file, save as. I want to replace it. So that is the free version. Now I'm just going to show you the difference between that and the paid, pro version. And you can see that it's modified it, but you see the difference? All the links are actually in blue. Not that you can click them and they go anywhere. It's just that it does this in the program. But you can see here that I have all my text files in one place. Here's my program, and I've got a conference room and all my articles and stuff, miscellaneous stuff. Some of these get to be huge, but this also is you can build web pages too. So this is the difference, that it tabs everything rather than you having to go look for stuff and then open it. But this other one is the free version that you can use, and it is a text file, and I can open other text files in here too. Oops, there's no text files in that. But I can find my text files in here. Text files, article, info, cancer, and that one will open. So you see, you can keep all these tabs open. Other things that it has is like down here you've got places that, this is the utilities tab. You can create a password, you can encrypt a file, decrypt a file. You can also, where's that other one? You can change ounces to grams, centimeters, inches to centimeters. So if you double click on that, length in inches, say I put 24, okay, and then it'll give you 24 inches equals 60.9600 centimeters.